Well, hello there. Today I'm testing out a brand new lens for my Fuji XT4. It's the TTartisan 50mm f1.2 full manual lens. I got this thing for $100 on Amazon, and today me and my buddy Connor are taking it to the streets of downtown Nashville to experiment with the lens and see if it's actually worth picking up for your kit. So come along with us, and also feel free to join our Discord that we just started, where you can talk with other community members about your work, fun camera stuff, share memes, all that good stuff. All right, let's take some pictures.
Ready, set, go! Insta360 Rode Wireless Go 2 lav mics, A7S III. We are pimped out right now, and we are not afraid. Hi, little goosies. Is my butt crack out?
Yeah. Oh,
he just dumped.
It just took a dump.
Dude, he just dumped. What if you were kind of standing out of this gap?
Okay.
This way?
Yeah.
And then maybe you could be looking, that way?
Sure.
Ethically, of course.
Absolutely.
Maybe look toward me. Yeah, that's sick. Dude, it's nice shooting with this because I don't have to worry about getting something in focus and then reframing, because it's all manual. So it's like I just set up the composition, get the focus, snap it. That's pretty neat. I like that a lot. Beautiful. Got it. Nice to meet you, man.
Y'all stay safe, buddy.
Yeah, we'll see you later, bro. Hey, man, can I get a photo of you? All right, you look cool. Thank you very much. Have a good one, man. Could I take a photo of you? Okay, cool. You can just keep doing your thing. It'll just take a sec. I like your beard. Thank you. Hope you have a good day. Connor, have you gotten any cool footage yet?
Photos?
Footage or photos? Anything good? Anything to offer this video? Okay, cool. This is like a super cheap 50mm 1.2 for Fuji.
Looks beautiful.
Dude,
How
yeah,
much was it?
it was $100.
I just bought this today.
Which one is that? Doing a minimum focus distance test at 1.2. Oh my gosh. This is 1.2. Dude, that's cool. Now we're going to try f4 to compare the difference in the softness. Use shutter speed to change our exposure. Oh yeah, come into that frame, brother. Right in the center. This lens is about a 75mm, and so far it's looking really good. It's actually nice downtown because I don't have to get super close to people to get photos of them. And most people have just been letting me take pictures anyway, which has been great. It seems a little bit soft, especially at 1.2, which makes sense. It's a $100 lens. We're at 1.2. At f4, it starts looking really nice. I love how compact this setup is on the XT4. It looks like you're just a tourist walking around with a cheap camera, but turns out it's absolutely baller, and you got some really cool photos coming out of this thing.
This is camera. Camera with specs and numbers. This is also camera, different specs numbers. So one thing we wanted to test because we're noticing that it might be a little bit soft is at what aperture is it the sharpest? I'm hoping it's on the lower end, maybe f2.8, maybe f4. We're gonna find out.
Liking this, it's a great combo on the XT4 so far if you need affordable portrait lens and you want to practice manual focusing. I actually love manual focus because it keeps my video skills refined just by doing it constantly, so I like it. Does that look epic?
It looks like a good workout regimen.
I am stressed. I've noticed that the focus ring on this works really well. It's nice and smooth, but not too tight. And also the aperture ring has a nice subtle click. So it won't come out of position even if you're running around in a situation like this. Look at this epicness, ready? If you guys want to share your work with me or Connor or the community we're starting to build, join our new Discord. We can chat, voice chat, you can send memes. It's already been a blast. So check out the link in the description. And also, if you want to snag this lens, I'll leave a link below as well in the pinned comment and the description. Genuinely, I'm gonna keep using this. I think it's a great pair with the Fuji XT4 or other X-mount cameras. So give this thing a shot because it's pretty dang sharp. I think it looks good. Let me know what you think of the photos. Give me some healthy critiques if I suck. And thanks for watching. I love you. Discord, go join it.
Hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Hey, hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Hey, hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts.